looks great, hon.
Well, here we are, campground by the lake in South Lake Tahoe.
That's right. We're gonna be here for a week, and Brad's got the next several days off. There's hiking around here. There's several breweries, so...
Yeah, what do we see? 5, 6 breweries?
At least, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're definitely excited for that. And just for a week in the woods, it's beautiful. This campground is packed. It's a holiday weekend.
It's Memorial Day weekend.
So that makes sense. It'll probably clear out in the coming days, but it's just very peaceful all the same. Huge, tall trees everywhere. We reserved a boondocking site, so we saved a little bit by being in a no hookup site. And they've got fresh water and a dump station right near the entrance, so starting out fresh and clean.
Yeah, and we have all the power we need from the sun, despite all the trees providing shade.
That will be determined how much sun we'll actually be able to bring in. But South Lake Tahoe has so much to offer, so we're super excited to share that with you guys.
Does that cover both?
That's something.
So we are parked on the side of the road near Vikingsholm.
In Emerald Bay.
Yeah, that's Emerald Bay back there.
We are gonna go, check out Vikingsholm.
Right on the water. How cool. Let's put this place here. You like the grass roof?
I love it. Yeah, it's awesome.
It does have a stonework in the front. So we're coming around the side of the castle now. This does kind of feel like a castle. You can see why they call it that. Just to get the water away from the house? The top of the point?
Yeah, maybe. This mist feels amazing.
Yeah. Jeez!
Oh, honey.
That was so hard!
Sad.
That was like ice!
Damn, are you okay?
Yes. Now I gotta go get my glasses.
Do you see
my
him?
glasses!
Mine, do you see him?
Yeah. Man, that's so cold! I nailed you!
Brad's snowball hit me here and then fell into my shirt.
Ow!
Burger Lounge. Hey, hey, hey!
Hey!
What you got there?
I got second bag of these gorgeous dry pine cones.
That is gonna make up a fire for us one of these nights.
Yeah, we've been seeing these around the campsite, and they are just massive. And
Hold one, let's...
And they are so dry. They're gonna burn really, really well.
Yeah.
Nice little, like,
it's like
fuel
as big
pellets.
as your face.
Yeah. You like this secret spot we found?
This is gorgeous. The water is so crystal clear.
And nobody around.
No one. Yeah.
Got it all to ourselves. Sand Harbor down there. So we're just,
A couple miles from...
yeah, we're just a couple miles from Sand Harbor, real close to Bonsai Rock. We're over here to check that out.
What are we doing?
Well, we got a parking ticket, so I guess we were in a no parking zone on the side of the highway there. There
Even
was
though
a
we didn't
really
see any
wide
sign.
shoulder, and there weren't any signs right there, so I guess we just missed it. We didn't see that we were in a no parking zone.
118.
It's $118.
Yeah. Brad's gonna go try to work some charm.
Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so there was nothing we could do with the ticket today because it takes 10 days to process. I let them know that we weren't going to be in town for that long, but they said we can take care of things over the internet or over the phone. I also asked them if there's a way I could submit a formal complaint because
There is no signage.
I feel it is very unreasonable to ticket people who park there because it was a reasonable place to park, and there were no signs nearby. So, yeah, hopefully they'll be reasonable and see what I'm talking about, but I doubt it.
All right. We'll try, though.
Yeah.
We are at Mountain High Sandwich Co. in Incline Village. They've got like 5 vegetarian options, which is awesome. I got the falafel. It's giant and messy and glorious.
That thing is so huge.
And they've got beer on tap.
Uh-huh. And I got the barbecue tofu sandwich, which is actually really tiny, but really good.
Quite tiny compared to mine. I'll share.
Thank you.
One bite.
All right.